And then not I'm not talking, I'm representing the Cannabis Selfie TV, right here. I'm bad one, I want to Selfie TV.
Cannabis Selfie TV, and we are watch.
This is Crazy Chris, CC Entertainment Sound, all the way from Galtigo. Watch this now. Chef, calm down. That was the Crazy Chris. I'm born of Chris like this. Like Chris. CC. That boy I'm in a boss case. Now I got JB. I'm a boss. Some bad move. You know what I'm saying? Oh, come on, listen now, listen. Some boy on the bad one that me and it's only time them son they bother when they need a gun. Yeah, I'm thinking it's really more than a moment. Stop it! What is up? Let me shoot off for them now! Big up the bad people that were there! CC Entertainment plus 3 sound. Let me kill the children one time. So who are you? This is about 45 of the people in here. You think I dance all that? You think, hey, how we gonna do? Echo one. My quality. Listen. I want some glass of them time. Put your hand in the ear, let me see. Put your hand in the ear. Play my unit. Remember the killing about 3 times. Tonight go make 4. Crazy kiss and you are. Put your hand in the ear. Let me tell you this. Every sound. What else about start. No, 2017 was a sad year for dancehall music and reggae music. I'm not telling no lie. See me I say, and the artists I'm going to play, and for the people that know say, you miss the artist here. Great!
I want to some someone.
Don't tell no lies. Who tell reggae songfest? Who tell reggae songfest?
Fix it. Alright. No one knows the war start. They fully announced the war start. No man can hide in a war.
And then not I'm representing the cannabis selfie. Steve, right? I'm bad one I want to selfie TV.
Cannabis selfie TV. We are watch.